Hey, in front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this Nokia. Begin by opening Settings. In them, you need to click on Privacy section and tap on Permission Manager. Finally, tap on one of those options that you wish to manage, in my case camera, and click on one of your apps. I will go with Messages. Over here, you need to tap on the best option for you, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow, and click on it. I will go with don't allow, so now I need to choose don't allow anyway in this pop-up and go back. As you can see, after that, Messages no longer have access to my device's camera. But you can always go back, select any feature, and then look for an app that you wish to manage. In my case, Location and Chrome. Then click on See All Chrome Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!